In today's video, I'm gonna be discussing about abstraction in object-oriented programming. So, first, let me introduce myself. My name is AJ Alburo, also known as Albert Jason Alburo in full name. I am a student of Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan. So, my course is Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science. So this course talks about like programming. So this video that I made is for a project. So today I'm gonna be discussing about abstraction in object-oriented programming. So here we go. So first I'm gonna be discussing like what is the abstraction. So objects in object-oriented programming language provide an abstraction that hides the internal implementations details, similar to the coffee machine in your computer. You just need to know which methods of the object are available to call and which input parameters are needed to trigger a specific operation. Abstract classes and methods are when the parent class has a named method but need its child classes to fill out the task. An abstract class is a class that contains at least one abstract method. An abstract method is declared but not implemented in the code. So here's the syntax. That's how I'm just gonna show you the syntax because since that's how it is. So of course guys, okay, there it is. So let's just proceed. So when inheriting from an abstract class, the third class method must be defined with the same name and the same or less restricted access modifier. So if the abstract method is defined as protected, the child class method must be defined as either protected or public but not private. Also, the type and number of required arguments must be the same. However, the child classes may have optional arguments in addition. Let's look at an example. So I'm just gonna share you this screenshot. So that's how it is. So there's the parent class, the child class. Okay, so those are the only things that I can discuss because of the low budget, and of course my laptop is still under repair condition. So I'm just gonna show it to you there at that part. So okay, so let's now proceed to the explained example. So the Audi, the Volvo, and Citroen classes are inherited from the car class. This means that the Audi, Volvo, and Citroen classes can be used the public name property as well as the public construct method from the car class because of inheritance, but intro is an abstract method that should be defined in all the classes that they should return a string. Here are more abstract class examples. So these are the abstraction example here. So I'm just gonna show you. This one is the abstract with an argument. So I'll just show you the screenshots. So since I am unable to have because I don't have a screen recorder, so that's why I have to use screenshots only. So I hope you learned also the things that I explained. So that's how. So next is, here's another example. So what you see here is that the abstract method has an argument and the child class has two optional arguments that are not defined in the parent's abstract method. Since I'm just gonna be discussing this for 8 minutes since I'm almost out of memory, so just take a look at the example of the abstraction. So that's how it is, guys. Okay, so I hope you have learned something. So if you really want to know more about abstract class, I did my best in explaining on how abstraction in object and oriented programming is. So if you really like to see videos like this, leave a comment. So give this video a like, and I'll see you soon on the next video.